Do you recommend finding substitutes for alcohol? I'm stocking up on tonic water, tea, kava, and kombucha, but does that in any way get in the way of recovery?
No, I don't think so. I think everybody does it individually. And some people have a very triggered response to taste, like non-alcoholic beer. And it's very individual. Like it will trigger, oh, that makes me want beer. I think that, and that is very prevalent thinking within AA, is that, wow, if I drink a non-alcoholic beer, I'm for sure going to want the real thing. And so I have to stay away from non-alcoholic substitutes. That is because the thinking work hasn't been done, right? The thinking work hasn't been done. So there's still a desire for the beer, and willpower is still being very deeply used. When people go through our programs, I have almost never seen it that they don't enjoy, like a lot of people might not enjoy it because actually they say, I don't really like the taste of beer, or I don't really like the taste of wine. But the reality is that it isn't triggering to people because we've dealt with the triggers at a mind level, at a conscious and subconscious level. The cravings, we've dealt with them at a conscious and subconscious level. So something like a taste of a drink isn't going to be triggering. But it does use your own discretion for sure. It's very individual.